In front of me is OPPO A95, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, tap on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. In order to do that with 3 keys navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select floating window from the list. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners. Pick a perfect size and let go. If you want to use your app in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you prefer to close it completely, tap on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!